So today we're making delicious fluffy and light pancakes. This is an old recipe that I've used for so long. It's really easy, comes together quickly and uses just a few ingredients. First of all, we need to melt some butter. We'll be adding this butter lastly to the pancake batter. So we melt about 2 tablespoons, 60 grams or so of butter in a little fry pan, and once melted, just set that aside. Now we put a sieve over a bowl and we add about 2 cups of plain flour. Pancakes are camping food. There's hardly been a time when I've been camping and we haven't made pancakes at least once. So now we're adding 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and lastly 2 tablespoons of white sugar. We then sift that all together into the bowl. Before I go camping, I like to make up a few bags of the dry ingredients, and all we need to do at the campsite is add the wet ingredients. I label the wet ingredients that I need on each of the bags and label what the mixture is. In this case it's pancake batter. By the way, I reuse these plastic bags until they're no longer reusable. So now we make a little well in the centre of the dry ingredients and add 1 egg and then just under 2 cups of milk. You can also add a little bit of vanilla essence if you like the vanilla flavour, just a teaspoon or so. Now it's really important here to mix that through lightly, don't overmix it. Lumps are actually good. The pancakes will be much lighter if the batter is not too smooth. Finally, we gently stir in the butter that we melted previously. And the pancake batter is looking really lovely. So now, time to cook. Light your stove to a moderate heat, moderately low, and wipe out the pan that was used for the butter and place it on the heat. Once the pan's warmed up, we add a knob of butter. You can also use oil if you want. I just like the flavour of butter. So then add spoonfuls of pancake mixture. I'm making smaller ones here, and later on I'll make a large one. We cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until you can see small scattered bubbles that have formed on the surface. So once you've seen this and you have a little peek at the underside and it's golden brown, turn them over with a spatula and cook for another minute or 2 until the other side of the pancake is golden brown. You don't want to overcook pancakes, otherwise they become really dry. So stack them on a plate, and I like to cover them with a clean cloth to keep warm while I cook the remainder of the batter. I just love pancakes with lashings of butter and maple syrup. Everyone has their own favourite toppings, that's just mine. Homemade pancakes are way better than packet pancakes, and this is a really simple recipe, so I hope you make it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.